Hello everyone, so let's see what the cards are guiding us today. I'm going to pull the last card and the first card today. Tower card. Let me pull off both the cards together today. I don't know, I just feel guided to pull. Oh, that's a beautiful card, heart card. Actually, sometimes the tower card comes when you need to deal with, you know, higher authority people, when you need to get involved yourself with people of your bosses or lawyers or corporate chiefs. This card actually says that things will come out and things will be successful, but it will take some time. You need to reach this level to achieve the results that you want when it comes in achieving of results. And if it is connecting with lawyers or people of higher authority to get your work done, to get justice in court case, or to get your projects approved, it will take some more time, because as of now you are just setting up your base or your foundation, and soon you will be able to achieve. But overall, it's a positive card that you will get it, because if you see here, the next card talks about love, passion. So with passion, if you look forward to the work that you're doing, then the result is all yours, basically. And this card also shows that you need to focus on, or put your full attention on your project for you to get the happiness. But heart card also says for partner, so it can say that spend time with your partner. uh, Give your partner the passion or the love that your partner is seeking for, or that your partner feels is lacking in life. Maybe today, take your partner out for a surprise dinner, or make him or her happy by doing something good for them, and I'm sure they'll be very happy. So let's see what the turisas. Turisas usually comes when there's a struggle or conflict, but also it gives you a courage to handle things. It also gives you a clarity. So maybe the tower card is more like you need to put more firm foundation, or see what can be done for you to get what you need from the higher authorities. So turisas will be more like giving you the clarity on what you should do to achieve that success, or to get what you need. Today, try wearing something in the color brown for you to be grounded throughout the day. Also, if possible, feed a stray animal today, so that your work will be successful. Let's see what the affirmation card is saying. Okay, you're building your future. That's what I feel. So now today you will say, my foundation is set for a better future. 11 times, my foundation is set for a better future. So I hope you all have a blessed day today, and whatever it is that you are trying to achieve, be it in court case or in a project or some foundation, it becomes successful, and you all are happy that you were able to get the clarity and deal with it with positive mindset and with the right help. Thank you.